How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can remove white edges from image in Photoshop. So it applies to different sorts of white edges, but in my case, I'm going to use this white outline example. But once again, this will apply to the whites on the reflection of the light of your images. So from here, you want to simply right click on your layer and make sure that you simply select this as the format. So from here, you want to make sure that you go ahead and right click on your layer or just simply click on it. And then we have to apply a mask. So it's going to be this button. We have layer mask. You will go ahead and see this layer 1. And then what you'll want to do is to click the filter option. Then want to select other, select minimum. And from here, you then want to adjust this according to your image. So let's say that we want to go ahead and just adjust this to 5. As you can see, it will then reduce the white edges on our actual image. So in here, let's go ahead and apply it even better. Or let's simply go ahead and adjust this from 5. Let's do something like 20. And basically in here, we have so on and so forth. You could just go ahead and keep adjusting until you eliminate the white edges from your image. So in my case, it's really hard to go ahead and adjust this because of its white outline. But if you only have the white edges, you will then go ahead and be able to fix that. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.